Hello and welcome to Talking EVs, the #1 resource spot navigating the EV landscape. Ever pondered the subtle whining noise your EV makes while on the move or accelerating? It's not your imagination, it's a real phenomenon. In the heart of your EV, there's a device called an inverter. This piece of tech converts direct current from the battery into alternating current for the motor. The high-frequency switching of the inverter causes this distinct whining sound. So what about when you're reversing? Well, most EVs have an artificially added noise for safety, often a humming or whining sound, to alert pedestrians of its presence. Note that this was a mandate requirement by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration for all EVs and hybrids manufactured on or after March 1st, 2021. So next time you hear that slight whine, remember, all is well, and the EV is likely alerting you to its nearby presence. Thanks for joining us.